Let's go. I'm glad you're here. Are you 50, 60, or 70, maybe even more? And you are looking for more income in your life? Maybe you want to retire now or much sooner than you thought maybe in the past. Well, there's millions and millions of people like that, like you, like me, who are looking for some way of adding more income into your life. If that's you, stick around. I've got a lot of good stuff for you. Hi, my name is Jerome. I am in Boise, Idaho. I am a business startup coach. I've built and run a number of large businesses and small businesses, and I know how to help people. So if you like this and you want more of it, would you please subscribe and please like this. Is a huge help to the channel, and I sure appreciate it. So let's dive into this, because if you are looking for more income and you're older, one thing I want to move away from is hard work, or hard work in the sense of manual labor. By the way, I'm doing this video in one cut. It's just much easier, it's much simpler, it takes less time, and so I might have a few ahs and ums. I have a cat right here who's on the windowsill and she's purring like crazy. That's life, and hopefully you enjoy that and I get to share it with you. So what are you going to do? You want to retire earlier, or you've already retired and you need some more income. So I've come up with 3 different ways that you can do that. And it does take some new skill sets, but they're not hard. Anybody can learn these. And I was talking with my friend Jim this morning, and Jim, about a month and a half ago, he tried at the Amazon delivery, and he said he's still recovering from that. So as we age, it gets harder and harder to run faster and faster. And so instead, these 3 ideas I have for you for more income, the idea behind these is easy on your body, a little bit of brain work, and continuous income. One of the things I, as a coach, as a business coach, that I talk a lot about are the 3 R's. So income, that's number 1, remote. Number 2, it's reliable. And number 3, it's recurring. So that's what I work on in all of my coaching, helping people move and see that and make that as their vision for the next thing they want to do. And we're talking part-time too. So let's talk about these 3 businesses that you can embrace and you can start. The first one is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what that is, let me grab my notes right here. Affiliate marketing is where literally thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of companies around the world sell products, and they will give you a percentage of that if you help them. And the way you do that is with a website or some kind of funnel where you can capture leads, and then you find out more and more about what they want. And then the company will give you a link, and if they end up buying that product through you, then you get a percentage of that. It can be from anywhere from 10% to 50%, depending on the product. So there's some advantages to affiliate marketing. First of all, low startup cost, no need to create a product, and you can start with a minimal investment. And down below, I've got a link to System.io, which I think is one of the world's least expensive. It's actually free. They have a basic version that's free for courses and landing pages and memberships and things like that. I got a free link down below, so you can get started on this kind of thing for 0. So we talked about low startup cost. Number 2, passive income potential. This thing is going to create commissions while you sleep, whether it's around the country or around the world. And number 3 is scalability. You can make it bigger and bigger. You can do more with it as you get more and more success over time. There's some downsides to affiliate marketing. First one is you're reliant on those sales commissions, right? Until you get bigger, it's not really a steady income yet. Number two, competition can be high. There may be other people selling that same product or group of products that you're also promoting. And number three, there's a bit of a learning curve. You have to sit down and you have to learn all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. And down below, I'm going to have my phone number. You're welcome to call me if you want more information about this. Glad to have a virtual coffee with you. I'll have my link there. Number two, so as I'm moving up here, we're talking about more and more income for you as well. So number two is what I call coaching and life help. Coaching and life help. The beauty of this is you being your age in life help is being 50, 60, 70, 80. You've been through stuff. You've lived through things. You've lived through some hard times. There's lots of people who want to know how to do that. They want to know how to get from A to B, whether it's over the loss of a partner or loss of a child, if it's going through a divorce, if it's learning how to build model trains or birdhouses. There are gazillions of things that you can help people with. And this whole idea here of coaching and life help, you can put together a program, a course, and you can help somebody no matter what your interests are. That's the cool thing about this, is no matter what your interests are, from model trains to flying, you name it, you can help people get from A to B because you've been there. So this is a fantastic way of creating some additional income. The pros: high income potential. You can charge a lot for a course, or you can charge less but have a lot of people in a group coaching. There's a lot of deep personal fulfillment because you're helping other people all the time. Helping other people. Number three is flexibility. You can do this around your schedule and work really from anywhere around the world. The cons is time intensive. You got to put together a program. Number three, it can be very emotional because you're helping other people. And number three is it takes a while to establish some credibility. But as you might know, there's thousands of people, millions of people literally online around the world who do this kind of thing. They help people from A to B a little more quickly than if they did it by themselves. And that means that they're willing to pay you for it. And then lastly, we have one of my favorite, and that is what I call up here is digital products. Digital products. Why this for remote income? Number one, think about Apple, think about Adobe, think about Amazon, think about Microsoft, think about Audible. Billions and billions of dollars every month. These are all digital products. Books, digital books that Amazon is selling. They're doing hundreds of millions of dollars a year in commissions for books and pamphlets and all kinds of things. So what I love about digital products, and down below I've got a link for our business that is something you can literally start tomorrow. We made $2,700 our first month, and as of this recording, which is early December 2024, we've been at this about 4 months, made about a little over $30,000. So I do it very part-time. Down below I'll have a link so you can take a look at it. And the pros is passive income. Once you have everything up and going and our program has all that, it's just rinse and repeat. Number two, it's a massive market worldwide, massive market. E-learning is growing like crazy right now. And number three, it is a low overhead. In fact, with our business, you would keep 100% of the cost. 100% of the profit rather. And so I love that. You keep 100% of the profits. The cons, there's some upfront learning, some upfront effort. You've got to learn some new skill sets, but they're not hard. They're all step by step. Number two, you need some marketing skills, and we're going to teach you how to do that. Number three is once in a while, people are concerned about content piracy, but I don't worry about that very much. Sometimes digital products are vulnerable to somebody stealing those from you, but in today's world, the creation process keeps on going. And if somebody takes something from you on the creative side, it's going to be old because you're moving past that. So these are the three things I want you to think about: affiliate marketing, coaching and life help, digital products. Down below, I'll have my link. If you have an idea, a product, or a concept that you want to bring to the world besides these, that's what my coaching helps you do. But I want to give you a starting point right here, a starting point to start thinking about these things, researching these things. Also want to tell you about this, my new book. I just finished it last week. It's out, The How-To Planner to Start a Business. I think it's worth $1 million. Why? Because that's how much a business can bring to you over time. The beautiful thing about this book is I include 4 coaching sessions. When you buy this book, I have 4 group coaching sessions to help you get started, to help you get that idea, that concept, that product out of your mind and into the world. And this assumes you're starting from zero. And it's designed to be written in, it's designed to be used as a planner, it's designed to put your notes in. It is fabulous. So down below, I'm going to have a link for this. It's startupplanner.biz, real simple, startupplanner.biz. Love you to get a copy so I can help you with that free coaching that comes with it. Glad you were here. Thanks for being here. Down below, I'm also going to have a link to System.io, which has been fabulous for me. I use it for coaching. I use it for a lot of my products, and it's free to get started. You know, one last little thought for you, and that is it's the start that stops most people in moving ahead with some kind of income venture. You can make money from virtually selling anything, whether it's a virtual product, whether it's a real product like quilts or Studebaker parts. It doesn't matter. You can make money from that. You just need to organize that and have a system of doing that. Glad to help you. Glad to have a virtual coffee. If I can help you, great. If I can, we've had a great time getting to know each other. Thank you for being here, and I will see you on the next video.